Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class from the Cambridge International School Level 4 with teacher SREYNY again. How are you doing today? I hope that everyone is doing fine. How was your weekend, everyone? I hope that your weekend is really great, right? And I also hope that you can stay at home rather than go outside during this time. Alright, so today is Monday, March 15, 2021, and according to our schedule, the first session today, you are going to learn about Hangout 4, Unit 6, going to the doctor. Today we focus on the grammar point, modal verb, should. So we still focus on the same page 60, 69, but we just learn about the grammar today. Alright, so modal verb should. So we use modal verb should to give recommendations or an opinion or ask for an opinion. Modal verb should normally used to recommendation. Recommendations mean you suggest someone about this or about that, or you just recommend them only. And give an opinion, it means you give your idea to someone, or sometimes you also can ask someone for an idea too. Alright, so now let's go to our form and example all together. Today we have 3 forms. The first form is affirmative form, subject plus should plus verb base. Verb base will refer to the verb that doesn't change form even used with third person singular or any situation. Alright, and then plus blah blah blah. Example, you should take some rest. So you see, here is you suggest someone, say you give the recommendation to someone when he or she gets sick. Okay, I would like to give my own opinion on my own idea that you should get or should take some rest. Alright, let's go to number 2. She should take medicine. She should take medicine. Alright, she should take medicine. Look at number 2 here. She is the third person singular, right? So normally verb we have to add s. But why verb here we don't add s? Because we use with third person. Sorry, we use with modal verb should. When we use with modal verb should, verb we don't add any s or es. So remember, okay, even though the subject is third person singular, but when the modal verb appear, we cannot use s. Alright, so let's go to number 2. I should go to school. I should go to school. So here you give your own opinion or you recommend your own self, right? Alright, let's go to negative form. Negative form here, teacher doesn't give you the full form. We have some blank here, subject plus blank, plus blank, plus blank, plus blank, plus blah blah blah. So you have to complete here based on the example above. Alright, so we have you shouldn't drink cold water. You shouldn't drink cold water. This means you give someone opinion when he or she got sick. You should not drink cold water. So the long form of shouldn't is should not. This is about the long form, and the short form is shouldn't. We pronounce shouldn't. Alright, we shouldn't go outside during this time. We shouldn't go outside during this time. So you recommend someone again, right? So that you give someone an opinion again, right? Alright, so let's go to number 3. Number 3 here we don't have any example because the teacher would like you to give your own example to number 3. Now let's move to question form. Question form is the same like the negative form. The teacher doesn't give you the full form. You can complete all out the missing word or fill in the blank altogether. We have should plus blank plus blah blah plus question mark. Now let's go to example. In order to complete all of the blanks, you have to look at the example. Should we put eyes on? This is about you ask someone an opinion or recommendation, right? Should he put eyes on? And then say yes he should. Yes he should, right? Alright, let's go to number 2. Should it eat bone? Should it eat bone? No, it shouldn't. No, it shouldn't. So the short form of the answer here is shouldn't, right? And about number 3, same like here, you can make one more sentence by your own self. Alright, everyone. So now our lesson is finished. But before the teacher end our today lesson, now the teacher sum up the lesson that the teacher would like to focus on today. Today the teacher focus on 3 points. First, about how to use should. The second one, how to give form. And the last one, how to write short form of should not. So form, we have 3 forms, but the first form shall give you the full form. But for negative and question, the teacher would like you to complete by your own self based on the sentences above here. And in each point, the teacher would like to create your own sentence by your own self. And remember about this one, even the subject is she, but we still use take because we use verb base. Verb base we refer to verb that never change form in any situation. It seems like verb infinitive. It seems like to infinitive, right? Alright, so I hope that you can fill in the blank and also make one more sentence for each form and submit to your homeroom teacher. If there's still any question related to your first session today, you can ask your homeroom teacher for more detail how to use modal verb should. Alright everyone, goodbye, see you for the next session.